So Leona, our daughter, was born in 2021 in April, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in Canada or international standard, how old is she?
She's not even a year.
Yeah, so 8 months
She's 8
old.
months old.
Okay. In Korean standard, you know how old she is right now?
Woke up at 11 o'clock. I ain't got
Okay,
no
let's
job.
talk about year. You know, Korean year, Korean age, I mean.
Oh.
Very tricky, right?
Koreans are so old. They're the oldest people on earth.
All these people on earth. So Leona, our daughter, was born in 2021 in April, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in Canada or international standard, how old is she?
She's not even a year.
Yeah, so 8 months
She's 8
old.
months old.
Okay. In Korean standard, you know how old she is right now?
Like, older than me? At least.
At least. So she is 2 years old. What?
It just doesn't compute.
Yeah, so do you know why? I think I might have told you many times. Let's see if you remember.
Because you guys like to terrorize each other about age. No? They count 9 months in the womb as 1 year on Earth.
But be careful though. Because some people don't have 9 months.
Okay.
Or it could be 10 months. You never know.
Okay.
So
Man, those preemies, they're aging so fast.
anytime the baby is in mom's womb, it's counting as 1 year once the baby is born.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So when baby is born, already 1 year.
Mm-hmm.
And what else?
You age at the end of the year, the calendar year.
Not at the end of the
On
year.
the turn of the calendar year.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
First day of the year.
Mm-hmm.
So she already aged 1 year.
Wow.
Plus. So
Wow.
she's 2 years old in South Korea.
Nice.
But here, she's 8 months old.
That's crazy.
Don't hate it too much. You can still travel to South Korea and tell your own age.
What are the ramifications for certain statistics then? Like, for example, life expectancy. Are you guys cheating with your life expectancy?
No, we use international.
You normalize it for
Yeah.
that. Okay, I see.
So when it comes to traveling, even when you fill out a form for travel form and things like that, then we use international age.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah. So we call that man.
Huh.
Man and then age. So she is man and then something.
Mangong.
Usually we deduct 2 years or 1 year. Depends on her birthday, if her birthday is past or not. Anyway, it becomes kind of complicated.
She knows you're talking about her age.
Let's talk about it. Okay. This year, 2022, her birthday is in April, right? Her birthday passes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then do you think that what happens?
She stays too.
In South Korea, she's still 2 years old because people don't age on their birthday, even though they celebrate their birthdays on their birthdays.
But here she ages.
But here she is.
And she's Korean, so she'll be 3. Oh, wait a minute.
No,
Oh.
don't listen to me.
They get it. They can figure this out.
Okay.
We'll be
don't
testing
listen-
you.
Don't listen
We'll be
to me.
testing you.
Okay, so do you have any questions about age?
When do I become older than Leona?
Never.
That figures. I don't grow up.
Hopefully this is clarify for you.
Hopefully you're not more confused than you were before.
I'm gonna have to put it in the description box just to clarify. Don't make people confused. It's more work for me. So what's the homework here?
How old are you?
Yeah.
What's your international age? What's your Korean age?
Yeah, if you wanna disclose it, or you can fake it. If
And how do you feel about it? Are you happy to be older in one context compared to the other?
Oh.
Does that afford you some utility?
Some people like to get older. They can go to club, drink, whatever, right?
Yeah, until you're 30, and then they want to be younger.
Yeah. Like us.
Yeah, or 40.
Then hopefully this video was useful to you and enjoy the rest of the year. Then we'll see you guys next time still in the 2022.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
That's just how it goes.